Right, today's job, weeding, and you can see why this bed is absolutely full, besides the sweet potatoes, of weeds. Because it's been covered up, I've been ignoring them. So I'm going to set it up on a time lapse and crack on. Right, that's looking much better. I do prefer hand weeding rather than just hoeing, but just got all under the netting to do now where my leeks are. But this marigold is absolutely huge. Look at my hand there, it's massive. So it's such a shame to pull it out at the moment, but it will come out and probably self-seed everywhere because I haven't been deadheading it. Right, okay, see you in a bit.